I do have a playlist called Collage Fodder, I believe. And that'll have a lot of the stuff that I've made here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to show you something that I made. I made this for a friend. It's been a journey, but I wanted to show you guys. So it is made from file folders, every single page, even the cover. I just did decorations on the front with Posca markers and all sorts of stuff just to doodle. The closure is just a simple eyelet on both sides. So I'm excited to send it to her. So it's not a typical journal. It's a journal that has pockets and pockets and pockets that can hold ephemera or journal cards, really whatever you want to put in it. But it's really neat. So there's a lot of stitching. Here's the, let me make sure. Okay, there we go. So here's the first part of it, the first page. I put a little belly band here. And then I just put a little handmade note for her. If you have any questions about things I've made in this video or in these pockets, then leave them in the comments. I do have a playlist called Collage Fodder, I believe. And that'll have a lot of the stuff that I've made here. I haven't done these. Yeah, I did paper flowers. So anyways, each page is a file folder. And then I just, there's 4 pockets. Oops, that doesn't have pockets. And then I just put things in it. So I just painted the file folders, which was a lot of fun. Did some stenciling. Just added some stuff. So it's a really great storage for ephemera. Probably wouldn't work for me because I have so much. So it's a gift. So I made these trees recently. I haven't done those, but anyways. Yeah, so it's not perfect by any means. It was, I have lots of errors in it, but I'll tell you what, it was a ton of fun to make. And it's kind of fun to look at all the bright colors. So on this page, this is the center of the spine. I added some paper charms just to as dangles, I don't know. There's some watercolor flowers. And then I did bind it. I don't know if I said that. I used a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, which is on my channel. And I have a demo or a tutorial on that. If you're interested in a really easy way to bind any, a small amount of pages, not any amount, but you just need a small, not small, you need a yarn needle type thing. Anyways, we made these little twinchies the other day on my channel with a master board. I'll take some of this stuff out just so you can see a little bit of the kind of background. So I just painted it with a scraper and then added doodling. Here's another page. I think I only added 4 file folders maybe, but it gives a ton of storage. So yeah, you don't have to put just little things. You could put journal cards, whatever you want in it. I think it's fun to look at. I'm waiting to hear from her on what kind of things she wants me to stuff it with, because not everybody's into all this bright, bold stuff. So she's stuck with the theme for the book, because that was my choice. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, don't tell her, because she'll probably see it on my channel, and I'll have to tell her, look at your own, what's the word? At your own, I'm blank. At your own risk? Yeah, risk. She already knows what the cover looks like, but yeah, she can put little pieces. Oh, I added this little kind of pocket down here. This is with the washi tape. I did that video on make your own washi tape with the water adhesive tape, paper tape. That is on my channel, and I can link that in the description if you'd like. Well, I'll just do it, make it easy. So, yeah, I just had this little tiny pocket back here. Oops. And I did watercolor tags in ephemera as well in a video. All this stuff in here is pretty much in a video, I think. So, just go to the Collage Fodder or my ephemera, or both. I have an ephemera playlist too that has tons of stuff. from the very beginning of when I started making all this stuff, which that's where you'll find these paper flower tutorials. Anyways, guys, have a happy Friday. Just wanted to share that with you. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later.